Today I'm going to teach you how to use Google Forms to assess reading comprehension. This is a powerful way to create interactive assessments where students read a passage or image and then answer questions based on what they've read, making it perfect for remote learning or classroom activities. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in using your Google account credentials. Make sure you're using the account where you want this form to be stored, as it'll be saved to your Google Drive. After signing in, you'll see various template options. For this tutorial, we want to start fresh, so click on Blank Form. This gives you a completely empty form that you can customize from scratch for your reading comprehension assessment. Now, Google Forms automatically adds a default question when you create a new form. Since we want to start by adding our reading material first, we need to remove this placeholder question. Click on the Untitled section and you'll see several options appear. Navigate to the Delete Question button and click it to clear this initial question out of the way. With the default question removed, it's time to add your reading comprehension material. In the right panel, you'll see several icons for adding different elements. Click the Add Image button. This will open a dialog box with multiple options for sourcing your image. Navigate to Upload, then click Browse. This allows you to select an image file from your computer, whether it's a scanned passage, a screenshot, or any other reading material you've prepared. Select your reading comprehension image from wherever you've saved it on your device, then click Open. The image will upload to your form, and this is what students will need to read and analyze before answering your questions. Give it a moment to fully upload, especially if it's a larger file. Now that your reading material is in place, it's time to add your first comprehension question. In the right panel, click the plus sign. This adds a new question field to your form. You'll notice that Google Forms defaults to multiple choice, but we want students to type their answers. Click the drop-down menu at the top of the question box and select Short Answer. This format is ideal for comprehension checks because students must demonstrate their understanding by typing their response. In the question field, type "What is the name of the teacher?" ? This question asks students to recall a specific detail from the reading material you uploaded, testing their attention to detail and comprehension. Let's add a second question to further assess their understanding. In the right panel, click the plus sign again to add another question. Just like before, click the drop-down menu and select Short Answer to maintain consistency in how students will respond. In this question field, type "How many students are there?" ? This gives you another data point to evaluate whether students are carefully reading and processing the information in the image. Before sharing this form with your students, it's always smart to test it yourself. In the upper right panel, click the Preview button. This opens your form in a new tab exactly as students will see it, allowing you to check that your image displays correctly, that your questions are clear, and that everything functions as intended. And there you have it, a functional reading comprehension assessment using Google Forms that you can now distribute to your students. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.